Hello students, welcome to the official channel of Jnandeep Academy, Pusat. As we all know that we have conducted talent examination 2022 for all students studying in 10th standard, and we are overwhelmed by the response and the participation shown by all of you. So to acknowledge all of you, we are here with sharing the answer key of respective subject in different video forms. So let us begin with the answer key of biology questions that were asked in talent exam in both the set A and set B. Let us begin with the first question. Question number 31 of set A, that is only the question number 38 of set B. If an endosperm of an angiosperm contains 24 chromosomes, the number of chromosomes in each root cell will be. Now let us know about certain values given, what is given information given in this question. Firstly, they have given endosperm, and endosperm 24 chromosome endosperm has. Endosperm is actually a triploid structure. Endosperm is a triploid structure. It is formed after double fertilization and the structure is triploid, that is it contains 3 sets of chromosome. Now if it contains 3 sets, the value of 3 sets of chromosome they have given, it is 24. What you have to find out? Number of chromosome in each root cell. Root cell is a body cell, plant cell, and plant body cells are diploid in number. So we have to find out the number of a diploid. What will be the number of a diploid cell, root cell? So what will be the number? If triploid cell is 24, means one set is 8, haploid is 8, then diploid will be 16. So the correct answer for this question will be the option number C, that is question option number C, 16. Okay, so let us move on towards the next question. Question number 32 of set A, and same question is asked in set B, question number 35. A population of thermophilic thermophilic bacteria, those who can withstand temperature, are generally found in hot springs. Any change to the temperature of the water affects survival of the bacteria. If temperature of hot spring gets reduced, now if the temperature of the hot spring gets reduced, change in which of the component can allow survival of member of bacteria? Now we all know that bacteria are actually members of kingdom Monera, and they are very primitive. Archaebacteria are very primitive. They can adjust with the changes in surrounding only by adjusting their cell wall, because cell wall protects them. So simple answer will be the option number A, that is cell wall, because cell wall will allow bacteria to survive irrespective of the changes in the background. Whatever changes, बाहर जो भी changes हो रहे हैं उसको दूर रखे वो बैक्टीरिया खुद सर्वाइव कर लेगा आराम से, उस किसकी वजह से? सेल वॉल की वजह से. तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए, सेल वॉल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 ऑफ सेट ए. द सेम क्वेश्चन is this question actually is only particular to this set, only asking set A. Okay, which of the following structure is responsible for secretion of progesterone? What is progesterone? Progesterone is an hormone produced inside the ovary, and it is essential for maintenance of pregnancy, and also it is essential for maintaining changes in uterus during the menstrual cycle. So this is what we know about progesterone. Now which structure produces? Get into the details of it. Options are option number A, Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle is the mature follicle which contains egg, developing egg. Then second option is corpus albicans. Corpus albicans is the structure which is formed after degeneration of corpus luteum. Option number C, corpus luteum, and this is the correct answer of this question, because corpus luteum is formed after degeneration or after conversion of ruptured Graafian follicle into the corpus luteum. So whatever remaining portions, remaining cells of Graafian follicle, they transformed into corpus luteum, and corpus luteum starts secretion of a hormone called progesterone. Okay, so correct answer here is option number C. Next question, question number 34 of set A, and this is the question of question number 39. In most mammals, the testes are located in scrotal sac. Scrotal sac, that is outside the abdominal region. And why? Answer to this question is correct option is option number B, sperm formation, because testes ensure 2 to 3 degrees Celsius less body temperature than the average normal body temperature, that is 37, and that's why testes are located outside. So that temperature is essential for spermatogenesis. स्पर्म फॉर्मेशन के लिए वो टेम्परेचर जरूरी होता है, इसीलिए द टेस्टिस आर लोकेटेड आउटसाइड फॉर स्पर्म फॉर्मेशन, आउटसाइड द abdominal cavity in a sac, in a muscular sac that is called as the scrotal sac. Okay, so this is question number 34 of set A, and same is question number 39. Correct answer is B, sperm formation. Next, the question of set A, the common means of transmission of AIDS, the common modes of transmission of AIDS. We all know that AIDS is a sexually transmitted disease, right? And this disease will be transmitted via different ways. Now, although it is a sexually transmitted disease, it can still be transmitted by mother to fetus. That transfer is called placental transfer. It can be transferred even by blood to blood transfusion. ये होता था कुछ सालों पहले जब ब्लड की चेकिंग नहीं की जाती थी, जिसने डोनेट किया है उसे HIV है नहीं है, ये बिना चेक किए उसका ब्लड किसी को डोनेट किया जाता था. So this was blood transfusion. So actually the correct answer for this is all of these. It is not only the common means of transmission, it is not only caused by unprotected sexual intercourse but also by blood transfusion, placental transfer, etc. Okay, so correct answer is D, all of these. Next, question number 36 of set A, and this was the question of even set B. Question number 34, how many NADH2 molecule are produced during electron transfer chain? Now this is a question referring to aerobic respiration. We all know that there are two types of respiration, aerobic in the presence of oxygen, anaerobic in the absence of oxygen. In aerobic respiration there are three steps. Which three steps are there in aerobic respiration? First step is breakdown of glucose, glycolysis, then second step comes the Krebs cycle, and the final step is the electron transfer system, ETS, electron transport chain we call. Now these three steps, in these three steps aerobic respiration is completed. Now we have to understand that how the question is asked. The question is saying how many NADH2 are produced during electron transfer chain. In electron transfer chain, the NADH2 molecule are to be converted to release energy, because actually NADH, FADH, these molecules will ultimately give us ATP. So their main aim is to store energy during these two phases and then yield energy during ETS. So actually 2 NADH2 molecule from glycolysis, 8 from Krebs cycle, and 10 in total 10 enter the ETS, and from 10 NADH2 ATP will be produced. Okay, ATP will be produced accordingly. So here correct answer will become 10, because here we have to understand that NADH2 are produced by the other two steps and enter. So ultimately in electron transport system we say that NADH2 molecules are 10 and they will give rise to the ATP. Okay, so correct answer here is 10. Next, question number 37. Now the statements are given, 37 of set A, and the same question is question number 36 of set B. So what is this question says? Let us look at this question. Which of the following statements are correct? ऑप्शन फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हमको ढूंढना है. तो अभी 4 स्टेटमेंट दिए हैं, उनके कॉम्बिनेशन देखने हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, पायरुवेट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू इथेनॉल and CO2 carbon dioxide by yeast. Is it correct statement? Yes, it is a correct statement. Pyruvate, what is pyruvate? End product of glycolysis. Pyruvate is the end product of glycolysis. Glycolysis खत्म होती है pyruvate में, बराबर है. So 2 molecules of pyruvate are produced from 1 molecule of glucose. This is glycolysis. और उसके बाद क्या होता है pyruvate का? In the absence of oxygen, that is in anaerobic respiration, in yeast, the pyruvate gets converted into alcohol and CO2. So this is correct answer. This is correct. So first is correct. So you have to look at those options in which first is given correct. Those only you will consider. That is A and C you will consider. Now, second statement says fermentation takes place in case of aerobic bacteria. Fermentation in aerobic bacteria. Now this becomes wrong. Fermentation takes place in anaerobic bacteria. Okay. Next, third, fermentation takes place in mitochondria. Now this also becomes wrong. Fermentation does not take place in mitochondria. Okay. And last is fermentation is a form of anaerobic respiration. This is true. So first and fourth combination, this is correct. So correct answer to this question is option number C. Okay, correct answer is option number C. Next question. Question number 38. Question number 38 of set A is question number 32 of set B. Let us discuss this question. Okay. Which substances will be present in the glomerular filtrate from the kidneys of mammal? What are kidneys? Kidneys are the major excretory units, and kidney is composed of many small functional units called as nephron. And inside the nephron, blood is filtered regularly, almost in a day. 180 liters of blood is filtered in our body by the kidneys to produce 1 to 1.5 liters of urine. So in this process, when first the filter is there, when the glomerulus of the nephron filters the blood, so what substances will be present in that filtrate? दे से उस filtrate के अंदर जो filter हुआ है उसमें क्या क्या होगा, ठीक है, जो filter हो गया, blood filter हो गया, nephron ने blood को filter कर दिया, और उसके बाद अब उसमें क्या बचा होगा उस filtrate में, ठीक है. So what will the answer? Actually proteins are too big to pass. Blood cells भी बहुत बड़े बड़े होते हैं, so they cannot pass through the glomerular filtrate membrane. फिल्ट्रेशन मेम्ब्रेन के थ्रू वो पास नहीं कर सकते, तो यहाँ पर ग्लूकोज, सॉल्ट ये पास कर जाएंगे. तो ऐसा ऑप्शन ढूंढना है जहाँ पर ग्लूकोज के सामने यस हो और सॉल्ट के सामने यस हो, ठीक है. और बाकी प्रोटीन तो नहीं, क्योंकि प्रोटीन का साइज कैसा होता है, बड़ा, तो प्रोटीन इतने आसानी से पास नहीं कर सकता. तो करेक्ट आंसर हियर विल कम ऑप्शन नंबर सी. ग्लूकोज यस, प्रोटीन नो, and salt yes. Okay, is this clear? 38 number, this is what we discussed. Now next question of set A, 39. An animal having double circulation in a 3-chambered heart. Very easy question. Here you have to understand that 3-chambered heart, what is the meaning of 3-chambered heart? We know that in animal classification the class Pisces, that is the superclass Pisces, which is a class of fish, all aquatic organism, fish, that is, okay, all fish are classified under that class, superclass Pisces. So in superclass Pisces the character is of 2-chambered heart. As we move up in amphibian we see 3-chambered heart. In reptilians we see 3-chambered, but in reptile there is a reptile called crocodile in which we see incompletely 4-chambered heart. Okay, incompletely 4-chambered crocodile, but other than that snake is a reptile. So basically in the option what is given is first option is fish. First option is fish. What does this mean? Fish, if we consider this option, fish is then belonging to superclass Pisces, and the character of superclass Pisces is they have 2-chambered heart. So this cannot be the correct answer. C and D are deer and sparrow. Deer and sparrow are belonging to aves and mammals. Aves and mammals are having completely 4-chambered heart, and the option they are asking question is 3-chambered heart किसको है? तो 3-chambered वाला heart किसको होने वाला है? Snake, because snake is a reptile. Okay, so this is an answer to it. Question number 39, which was question on number 37 of the set B. Now let us look at the last question of the set A, that is, which of the following are correct function of 2 component of pancreatic juice, trypsin and lipase? Trypsin and lipase, function of them. We know that trypsin is a protein digesting enzyme and lipase works in emulsification of fats, that is breakdown of big molecules, that is the fats, into its derivatives, and this process is called as emulsification. So emulsification, lipase, and protein breakdown, trypsin. Now you have to find out the correct option. So here correct option you will find out option number D. Trypsin digests protein and lipase emulsifies fats. This is the correct. Okay. Now in set B there are 2 questions which are unique. Okay, and let us discuss those 2 questions. Okay. Question number 31 of set B, which is unique to this set. There is a figure given of seed and a seed just about germination, during the time of germination. Seed germination के वक्त का एक छोटा सा डायग्राम दिया हुआ है, ABC 3 लेबल है, हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि ये 3 पार्ट्स किसको बिलोंग करते हैं, एग्जैक्टली क्या नाम है इन पार्ट्स का. ओके, वेरी इजी इट इज. द actual answer to this question is option number C, plumule, cotyledon and radicle, because the seed can be divided into 2 equal parts in some seeds. Okay, that is in dicots. So this is called as the one part. Each part can be called as cotyledon. So the B labeling is definitely of cotyledon. The label B is of cotyledon. Now question comes, what will give rise to a shoot in future and what will give rise to a root in future? So the answer is plumule give rise to the future shoot and radical will give rise to the future root. So here the answer will come A is plumule, B is cotyledon and C is radical. So this is the correct answer. The last question of the set B 40. Which of the following is not a common step of anaerobic respiration? Now some clear facts you have to get about this question. Anaerobic, they are saying in anaerobic simply you have to answer, you have to find out such a option which is not a part of anaerobic at all. So glycolysis is a part of is a part of aerobic respiration. Okay, then Krebs cycle is a part of aerobic. ETS is a part of aerobic respiration. That is, Krebs cycle is also called as tricarboxylic acid cycle, TCA cycle. Okay, so Krebs cycle another name is TCA cycle. So now here glycolysis and fermentation, these are actually the steps that occur in what? In anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration में होता है glycolysis is a common step of aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Okay, then fermentation takes place only inside, you can say only inside the anaerobic bacteria. So actually anaerobic के दोनों प्रोसेस है, glycolysis और fermentation. और लास्ट ऑप्शन डी दिया है बोथ ए एंड बी, मतलब ये तीनों रॉन्ग हुए. अब जो नहीं है अनारोबिक का पार्ट वो होता है टीसीए साइकिल और Krebs cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle. Okay student, so here we have discussed the biology questions of talent hunt examination 2022. Okay, I hope that you must have understood the explanation given about these questions, and I hope that you might have given corrected your own concepts after listening to this answer key. Okay, so I hope that you have learned a lot. If still you find any difficulty, you are free to inform us. We will find out and we will clear your doubt. Okay students, so you have to wait now for the result. Result will be declared on 11th of December. Okay students, thank you.